So hi guys, welcome back again to another episode of Building Africa, and this is A Build Africa Limited. So today we are having a different scope of work where we're doing an interior fit out. So ladies and gentlemen, we are building a lab. So we've been tasked by one of our leading labs company in the country that is doing a good job, and we have bidded for this project and we have emerged successful, and we are about to show you what we've been doing in this project. So this is a lab that is going to be actually a turnkey project to our client. It is so important to our client because it is going to be the headquarters of all their labs across the country. So A Build Africa is on the ground building this lab, coming up with a layout, showing the client exactly what we are putting up. So guys, this project has gone technical stages, starting with the technical drawings, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and by HVAC I mean heat, ventilation, and ACs. So having a lab have different specs, i.e. when we're doing our plumbing and mechanical, there are many drainages pipes. There are a lot of pipe work that has gone on the ground for you to see this floor. By starting, we took the levels of the floor, we came up with a screed, and after doing the screed, we came up with another screed that is used by self-leveling cement, which is actually locally supplied as part of the specification. And again, the floor finish for this lab is two. We will be having Ucrate and we will be having epoxy. So all these have undergone a different kind of scrutiny and different kind of analysis for us to identify which locations in the lab that will require this. We also are going to be building a cold room or a cold storage that will be using different panels, aluminum panel that has foam in the middle, and that will be going as low as 2 degrees and as high as 8 degrees. So that is the cold room that we'll be giving to this client. So guys, where I'm standing is part of the reception area of the staff and the doctors. Call it office or block or wing. So this will be the doctor's wing, where we'll be having a receptionist, a common area, an open workstation, and we will be having the our UPS room. In fact, for the UPS, we will be using 40 kVA and 10 kVA. So all these UPS will be dedicated to different sections of the lab. So we'll also be building an X-ray. In this X-ray, we will be taking these drawings for radiation approval. So these drawings will visit a radiation board and they will be approved. So this is a technical project that we're doing and we believe that we will deliver. For example, we are building 1.2 meters high wall, 4 inches wall, Mawaya 4 actually, as you call it. And this Mawaya 4, remember, when you're building a hospital, you may need railings, either by stainless steel or whatever materials that you're doing. So every material that we'll be bringing in this project, it is material that is approved by all the consultants that are on board and by our client, because chemicals will be used in this. For example, in the drainage, we are not mixing the drainage system of this lab directly to the drainage system of the building. So this drainage, we are actually also going to set up a treatment area, treatment machine that will treat the blood water and separate the blood water from the rest of the water that you're using the hand wash. Then now drain that water as pure and as clean to avoid infections and to avoid smells and to keep it clean. Remember, hygiene is key while you're building a lab. So we're using materials that are of high hygiene standards so that we can be able to deliver and give this to our client. So this is our first stage. We have already done all the conduits and work is in progress, and we've done all the DBs, the distribution boards, and part of electrical, because electrical distribution or electrical works in a lab is very crucial, because there are machines that can only use certain electrical capacity or power capacity, and this has to be watched out very keenly when we're building this lab. So we believe that we're going to deliver, and I will be showing you exactly our first stages. There is nothing much to show, but as we progress, I will be taking you through the process. But as we can see, we are done with the screeding, we are done with drainage, we are done with plumbing, we are done with doing the partition works, and we are almost starting the gypsum, glass, and aluminium works. And after that, we will be pushing it through the tight deadline. We already lost some days, and if you look at our Gantt chart or our part chart, you will discover that we have lost some number of days based on different issues and measures, example, approvals, understanding of what we are going to place in each room. So if you go to the main lab, we will have enough space for all the machines and the workstations that will be coming in. Then we have three doctors rooms where patients will be visiting the doctors, and probably they will be advised what tests to take. We have a media room in one of our main lab, and the media room see a TV. Then we even have building a call center. So within the call center also we are doing provisions of telecommunication that will be direct lines where you call and you'll be able to be assisted. So ladies and gentlemen, I will not disclose who our client is, but this is one of our most important and good experience project, because we are working on a lab, and this is exciting, and we cannot wait to hand over and issue this project to our client. Thank you so much. I will take you through some of the rooms that we have. Cheers. Mic testing. Hello guys. Kata. I think kata nishasema on what you know what maugonjwa ni measurement. Wanapimwa nini? Hizo ma measurement. Ma test, sorry. What test to take?